Hello, Questers. Welcome back to Top 10 Quests. Today, we're diving into a topic that we can all relate to at some point or another, laziness. But we're not just talking about those Sunday afternoons where you just want to lounge on the couch. We're delving into the top 10 scientific reasons behind laziness. So, let's get started. Number 10, stress and eating behaviors. According to a study published on PubMed Central, stress can significantly influence our eating patterns. Chronic stress may affect the brain regions involved in stress/motivation circuits, leading to an increased preference for hyperpalatable foods. Over time, this could lead to changes in behavior that promote laziness. Number 9, lack of sleep. Not getting enough sleep can lead to feelings of lethargy and laziness. When we're tired, our brains slow down, and we lack the energy to engage in activities. Sleep is essential for our brain's ability to function properly, and without it, we can experience decreased motivation and increased laziness. According to the American Sleep Association, 35.3% adults report getting less than 7 hours of sleep during a typical 24-hour period. Number 8, attempting to do too much at once. Trying to juggle multiple tasks can lead to feelings of overwhelm and stress, which can result in laziness as a form of self-preservation. When we're overwhelmed, our brain's natural response is to retreat and conserve energy, which can appear as laziness. A study from Stanford University found that people who multitask are less productive than those who do a single thing at a time. Number 7, overwhelmed from too many choices. When faced with too many options, we can become overwhelmed and default to doing nothing, or laziness. This is known as decision fatigue, and it can lead to analysis paralysis, where we become so overwhelmed with the options that we choose not to choose at all. Number 6, lack of purpose. Without a clear purpose or goal, it's hard to muster up the motivation to do anything. This lack of purpose can lead to a state of inertia, or laziness. When we don't see the value or purpose in a task, we're less likely to put effort into it. A Gallup poll found that only 30% of employees feel engaged or inspired at their jobs, and the vast majority of American workers, 70%, are not reaching their full potential. Number 5, poor planning and ineffective time management. Procrastination and laziness are similar in that they both involve a lack of motivation. However, procrastinators intend to complete the task eventually, while lazy people may not have that intention. Poor planning and ineffective time management can lead to feelings of overwhelm, which can then lead to avoidance and laziness. A study from the Journal of Consumer Research found that people who set ambiguous goals are less likely to complete them. Number 4, lack of self-confidence. People who lack self-confidence are more likely to succumb to laziness. They may not trust in their ability to successfully complete tasks, leading to a lack of motivation. This lack of self-confidence can stem from past failures or negative feedback, leading to self-doubt and avoidance of effort. A study published in the International Journal of Adolescence and Youth found that out of 1,000 young people aged 12 to 20, over half, 55%, said they didn't feel confident. Number 3, depression. Laziness can be a symptom of depression. The overwhelming feelings of despair and hopelessness that come with depression can make even the simplest tasks seem insurmountable. Depression can cause a decrease in energy, difficulty concentrating, and a lack of interest in activities, all of which can manifest as laziness. The World Health Organization reports that more than 264 million people worldwide suffer from depression. Number 2, fear and anxiety. Laziness can be a mask for fear. Fear of failure, fear of success, or fear of the unknown can cause us to retreat into laziness as a form of avoidance. When we're afraid, our body's fight or flight response kicks in, which can lead to avoidance behaviors. Over time, these avoidance behaviors can become habitual, leading to what appears as laziness. According to the Anxiety and Depression Association of America, anxiety disorders are the most common mental illness in the U.S., affecting 40 million adults in the United States age 18 and older, or 18.1% of the population every year. Number 1, evolutionary conservation of energy. According to evolutionary psychologist Pelusi, our ancestors had to conserve energy to compete for scarce resources and to fight or flee enemies and predators. This instinct to conserve energy can make us reluctant to expend effort on abstract projects with delayed and uncertain payoffs. And there you have it, the top 10 scientific reasons behind laziness. Remember, understanding the root cause of laziness can help us overcome it and become more productive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep questing. Thank you for watching. Please find references in the description.